Hey guys, so today I'm playing Amongst Us in Roblox, and yeah, I'm innocent. So yeah, 94511. Good. So yeah, did I say innocent? I don't know. Just confusing. Playing imposters makes me say innocent, and then when I play actual Among Us, makes me say crewmate. This is confusing. Okay. Okay, I know this. Admin swipe card, reactor, electrical. Okay. Oh, it's that thing that you have to do in electrical. That was way different. Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. So, yeah. Okay, I have two in a reactor. Oh my gosh, okay. Where? My friend screams at me, awesome sauce, it's not you, it's a different friend, for typing what like this. Just, it's fun. It's funny. She's like, it's spell like that. At medbay. Okay, and gas. Follow me, I have a medbay scan. I don't know who to vote. Who do I vote? I've been following Pink and doing tasks. So I'll vote myself. Speaker. So just gonna skip because I don't know what else to do. So yeah. No object escaped. One imposter remains. Okay. I do not have the swipe card. I have another thing in medbay. That's medbay. Oh my gosh, I'm so lost. Okay. Over here was admin, wasn't it? Yeah. Please check. There we go. Oh gosh, not the lights. Okay. Wait, this reactor. Okay, so electrical's down. Okay, someone fixed it. Okay. Since I'm here, reactor, I'm gonna finish this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There we go. I feel like Cyan almost just vented. Oh gosh, okay. It's amazing. My dead body. Come on. Why? I'm muted. Let's see how this goes. Oh, looking all innocent. What? Okay. Orange sus. Can you just vote cyan? I'm muted. Can't talk. It's that guy right there. Ghost can't vote. Yeah, guess I'll wait. Wait. No, it's not me. I'm assuming that's what it says. There's a fellow ghost right there. I voted orange. It's cyan, people. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna fling to this exclamation mark. There we go. Data download. That is so much faster than actual one. Oh gosh. I'm just gonna do tasks. Okay. Hello. Go over here. Wait, no. I'm imposter. I killed. No, it's me. Ghost. I cannot type. I keep forgetting that. Brain, please work. Magic. It's me. I'm the evil man. Don't you mean cyan? It's me. I'm the imposter man. Please don't. Please, I don't like murder. No, it's not you. It's see, vote him. Wow. Oh, it was a tie. I think one of those were cyan. Two of those are cyan. Oh my gosh. Well, just please go already. Oh, this is mid-bay. So, there we go. Go over here. Wait, was it before? I'm confused. I'm confuzzled. Oh, communication sabotage. That's why. Wish I can go down in the vents as a ghost. Purple. It's not black. No. I'm muted. You cannot talk in this channel. It's cyan, peoples. So I'm in and around, and I am the imposter, and I am going. Hopefully, I can win. So big tasks. I'll just do any task and call it fake, but I'll do these two. Oh my gosh. Oh, purple. What? What? Or what? Watch me do some instant. Oh my gosh. Jesus said, making me go away. Okay, so I'm in a vent. I just killed Orange over there. And there was someone that did this task and then just walked away. And I'm like, there's a dead body there. This is the only other vent. Okay. Gonna go. Ooh, there's predators outside. Oh, I have a kill count on. Never mind. I'll do that later. Wait, well, there's no roof on this. Kind of like actual Among Us. There's not really a roof because you have like an upper angle. Okay, my cooldown countdown is done. Gosh, run. Vent. Purple is doing scan. What? So I got caught and I lost, but that's fine. I'm just gonna end the video. I don't know how to say this. Bye, creamers.